Hello, my lovely friend. Are you ready to solve the new problem together? Let's get started. Here says a circle is drawn within the right angle triangle. The circle has radius 3 centimeter and bx equals 4 centimeter. So as we see, ABC is right angle triangle. Here, this sign shows me this angle is 90 degrees. And it says the radius of circle is 3. Let me show the radius of circle is 3 centimeter. And BX here, this segment equals 4 centimeter. For part A, ask what can be deducted about quadrilateral AXOZ, AXOZ. Let me join this point as well. I am gonna show what kind of quadrilateral we have here, AXOZ. First of all, I try to use two rules here. The first one says the tangents from an external points are equal in length. That means the tangents AX and the tangents AZ are equal in length. They are from the external point A. So I say AX equals AZ. I have to always, for any geometry, I have to write my reason. Why? Let me write here the tangent from an external point to a circle are equal in length. Oh, sorry. Length. Okay, are equal in length. And for one step, I am gonna to show it or prove it. I am gonna show it, because we don't know what quadrilateral we have here. The next rule I am gonna show it's the tangents to a circle is perpendicular to the radius in the point of meet the radius. So that means here x equals 90 and here z equals 90. I will write the reason as well. First of all, I write angle x equals angle z equals 90 degree. Again, I have to write my reason. The reason is the tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point they meet. Yeah. So it's a reason I try to use these two rules and I show all the interior angle of this quadrilateral equals 90 degrees. We know the interior angle of any quadrilateral add up to 360. So we have three of these angles, 90, 90, 90. If I add them up, gives me 270. So I am gonna find the angle O. So I say angle O equals 360 minus 270, which gives me 90 degrees. Okay, I got here the angle O equals 90 as well. So I have two kind of quadrilateral. They are all the angle, interior angle of this quadrilateral are 90 degrees. There is rectangle and a square. So I write we have no, let me say here, I don't need to write. Listen. Um, from part A, now I have to figure out and recognize it's rectangle or a square, you know? So I get it. It's rectangle or a square. But here we see for a step one, I get AX and AZ are equal. So length and width are equal. So it's a square. So we say we have a square here because from a step 3 we prove all the interior angle, all the interior angles are 90. Okay, and from step 3 and from yeah, but and from step 1, from step 1 we got length and width are equal. So we prove uh, we proved what? We proved this quadrilateral R is a square. Is a square. That's it. We show this quadrilateral AXOZ is a square. It's for part A. Now I will go for part B. For part B is says how far is C from Z? I am gonna find this length. Okay, so I say we know, as we said, it's square. So if it's a square, this length is 3. This length is 3. And we said that tangents from the external point are equal in length. So this length would be 4. We don't have the length of YC and CZ. And as again, we know the tangents from the external point to a circle are equal in length. So I get it X and get this one X as well. So I will go to find what's the value of X. I use Pythagoras theorem because we are in the right triangle. For right triangle, Pythagoras theorem says the hypotenuse to the power of 2 equals this length to the power of 2 plus this length to the power of 2. What's my hypotenuse? My hypotenuse is x plus 4x plus 4. And here I have 4 plus 3, which is 7. Here I have 3 plus x. So I say hypotenuse x plus 4 to the power of 2 equals 7 to the power of 2, which is 94 plus x plus 3 to the power of 2. If I expand this uh, expression in the left side, I will have x squared plus 8x plus 16. And for the right side, so 49, 49 plus x squared, yeah, plus 6x and plus 9. Okay, I can undo this x squared and this x squared. Here I try to collect all the variable in one side. I bring 6x to the left side, which gives me 8x minus 6x gives me 2x. And I bring all the constant to the left side. Negative 16 and 9 gives me 7 and 7 plus, yeah, am I right? 7 plus 94 gives me 56. And then to isolate x, I have to get rid of this coefficient, which is 2. So I divided both sides by 2. X equals 56 divided by 2, which is 28. So I got x equals 28. Oh, what a nice 28. Okay, anyway, we are done here. If you like it, please subscribe, share it with your friends. See ya in the next problem and stay tuned. Bye.